Thank you.
11th floor there's a griffin bar, and 3rd floor we have some others, and 2nd floor there's nice restaurant. Please. VIP stay.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Hotel is in charge of executive lounge.
Thank you.
Mr. and Mrs. Simpkins.
If you're the East Gate.
You just drink the time 6 to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Wonderful.
It's going to be set up all the dessert from during the happy hour.
Absolutely.
Lots of time. Let's check it out.
I gotta tell you, there's nothing like a luxury hotel for the next 5 nights.
You put it in the side?
Yes.
Very good.
And automatically something is
Ooh, just do all the little remotes. Sit here and play with them all day long. The console's better than playing on the Dreamliner. You can press temperature, how to use your air conditioning, all the lights. You can do all on or all off. Hotel map, hotel guide, TV guide. Here's all the English. Such fun. Time. And for the curtains, you can open and close them or make them sheer. Let's make sheer. And there go my sheer closed. So I said I could play with this all day. Very, very nice. I love checking out all the little nooks and crannies in a room. It's down here. Oh, big nook and cranny. One of those coffee makers that I need an engineering degree to figure out, but I could do it. Cups, saucers, and drawers. I don't know what it is with hotels these days where they don't put drawers in. Here, at least, there are drawers. Unusual bathroom with the sliding doors. Let's just shut that. Let's shut this one too. First I looked there, I thought, what? That's all the amenities they give you? Then I opened drawer number 1 and found all kinds of other good things. Love the shower. Some city we've got here. They do have Dom Perignon here if you would like a bottle of champagne. It is $600 a bottle. Everything's automatic. There's Namsan out there and the Seoul Tower. Staying on an executive level may cost more than a regular room, but you can save a bundle between different snacks 1,000,000 times a day, and breakfast is included. Cookies look darn good. I'm gonna try everything. And those are not the ordinary chips. Those are like freshly double-baked meatballs. There's more coming out. Look at the spoon. Everything is delish. Keep replenishing and bringing out new items. Like I keep saying, try to stick to one airline, try to stick to one hotel chain, because it pays off. We were upgraded to the executive level at Marriott because gold status. Membership has its privileges. I just decided that this is ceviche in avocado. Well, Steve is already on his desserts, where I'm on my second ceviche. We have 4 chefs running back and forth. Replenishing.
Yeah, you want it? I'll get another plate.
Every time I think I'm done, they bring out more food. That was salmon and Squidward and a shrimp right in the center. This is so neat. You come into the bedroom, and it also reflects in the mirror. Now, if I wanted to shop, a lot of these stores are open 24 hours a day. So if I can't sleep at 2 in the morning, all I have to do is walk out and look at this gorgeous sunset. Everything is gold back there. This is what breakfast looks like in the executive lounge. I love all the kimchi. That's unusual. Orders for today, and I opted for an egg Florentine, which I needed like a kick in the rear end after all this other food. This is where we are right here at the Marriott. Every one of these little red dots is a shopping center market, underground, above ground, 6 levels, 4 levels. Shopping.